Bank of Ireland's latest fraud campaign is warning people to be wary of being significantly overcharged at the point of card payment. The campaign is urging people to think before you tap. I'm joined now by Nicola, SadIier, Head of Fraud at Bank of Ireland. Nicola, what's happening that has made the bank launch this campaign?
So really, we've seen a recent uplift in the number of cases, and how it happens is that a customer is told verbally one amount, but we're seeing a much higher amount being charged through at the point of sale. So really, we've seen it across a range of busy environments where customers are being rushed, and the increase of incidents, particularly coming up to the summertime, we're urging customers just to be aware, to check that terminal before they then input their PIN or their card information. Obviously, again, it's busy environments, customers distracted, and fraudsters are preying on that. So really, to stay in control, customers should validate the amount they're seeing input on that screen before they tap their card or insert their card and PIN.
I know of a couple of instances actually myself in the last 6 months where in groups we were accidentally overcharged in restaurants. One amount said, like you said, but a different input. And in our groups, people were just chatting, didn't notice. Now, I hasten to add the restaurants did quickly rectify the issue. But what would happen if they didn't, or if it was an actual scam?
So, look, I guess we would urge customers to obviously, we're trying to prevent it from the outset, so we'd like you obviously to check that terminal point of sale. But Bank of Ireland are available 24/7, so give us a call and we'll get on the matter right away. But yeah, really, we're in the prevention space and we want to avoid this happening for customers, and particularly coming up to the summer season. Again, different countries, perhaps different currencies. Just take a little bit of extra time, and if you feel rushed, just abort the transaction. Make sure you've due time and check the amount that is actually being presented to you. And when you're happy, then obviously authorise the transaction, but only then. And if you've any concerns at all or suspicions on what's happened, again, Bank of Ireland are available 24/7. Give us a call and we'll talk you through.
So like you were saying there, if people have travelled abroad, there is a risk of a card being skimmed. What happens in this instance if you don't realise straight away yourself, if you haven't checked after you've paid for something?
So we'd always urge customers to turn on their card alerts. So we have spend alerts on our app. So again, you should get a messaging for every transaction. And also, again, give us a call. Keep an eye and be vigilant on your spending while you're abroad. Also, make sure you're docked in with the Wi-Fi and your mobile provider. Bank of Ireland often may contact you to validate whether a transaction is genuine or not when you're travelling abroad. So be aware of all of those things. And again, it is to give us a call if you have any concerns.
What else would you advise if you're on holidays so that people can protect themselves? Should you take more than one card on holidays? Should you keep them separate? What do you think people should do just to be extra safe?
I guess, look, we've all moved to our digital wallets in our phones, so certainly, obviously, use your phone, but also we'd suggest multiple cards and obviously not storing them in the same place, the same physical location, so you have an alternate. They're really the key tips. And again, keep those spend alerts on, keep vigilant on what's happening on your account, never let your card out of sight. And again, back to checking that amount that's keyed in that terminal to make sure you're confident. We've cases ranging from where a customer believes they're paying for €30 and they're put through at 300 or so. So the values can range, but certainly, we're really encouraging customers to stay in control and be vigilant.
Okay, Nicola, SadIier, Head of Fraud at Bank of Ireland, thanks for joining us on the programme this morning.